Hello everyone, how are you? So welcome to the new episode of Learning Agentic AI. Yeah, so recently I gone through this document where it tells us how to prompt. So I know you guys might have interacted with ChatGPT, and we have just used it as an assistant. We ask it something and it will reply us back. But it's not just only use case. So in agentic AI, this chat gpt or llm we can use to orchestrate an entire workflow. So chat gpt will help us to divide a particular task or goal that we want to achieve into multiple sub goals, and each sub goals how to achieve and everything. So how llm can help it, so it all depends on how we are going to create our prompts. So so prompting is like giving clear direction to a smart assistance. You get better result when you ask the right way. Okay, so here if you go through this document, it will tell us all the best practices when prompting, and misconceptions. So yeah, there are a lot of misconception. First one is like, if our prompts are long and detailed, then it will be effective. It's not correct. Until it's until it's structured properly, it will not give you proper response. So just think about how human mind works. If you see a long paragraph or long story, and if you just go on reading and reading, you will not be able to fully grasp it. But suppose if it's in bullet points, or if it's telling you specific things like solutions, problems, facts under each paragraph, then you can interpret it more easily. So the same case is with llm also. Prompt engineering as a one time effort, it's a big misconception. It's not one time effort. We have to keep on improving as we face a lot of edge cases, as we face a lot of security issues. We have to keep on improving, so we have to keep a track of it. So yeah, so and it also gives lot of custom, a lot of samples. Like if you're a customer support email, you can use these type of prompts. Here is the scrapped content. So yeah, so to test this, I have created a basic app called Prompt Validator. So what this does is, this is the GitHub repo, Prompt Validator. So what it does is, it it analyzes the prompts for quality and structure. Okay, and it will extract the context, and then it will generate enhanced prompts using the accumulated context. So and it's all done in a single call. So not in single call, but in the same prompt, we pass different way, different responses, and llm will decide what tools to call at what time. So let me give you a quick demo. So yeah, so here in the settings tab, you can, this is the website. In the setting tab, you can configure your key, and here suppose I write, hi, I am Rishikesh, working on a React auth library. So let's see what happens. So it's starting the intelligent. Now the second step, it's extracting personal information, it's extracting professional information, it's extracting the task, it's extracting the intent, any external task, it's extracting the tags, and now it's validating. So now if you see the result, so it's saying the explicit reasoning is no, structured output is no, tool separation is no. So all these parameters, on every parameter it failed. So it's saying the prompt is simply a statement of introduction and lacks any elements that it encourage structure, step by step reasoning. So it extracted all this information from here. So now if you see this processing steps, so I'm calling llm these many times. If you see, llm has been called 8 times with the same prompt, but results are different each time. So first we extracted the personal info, extracted the professional info, intent, tags, then we have validated the prompt, then it's completed. Now if I go back and if I copy one prompt, so let's copy. So here actually I have given like initially when I have started building this, my initial prompt that I've written was this. Okay. So here what it's telling us is that the prompt that I'm passing to the LLM saying that all these methods are available, only return in JSON format, don't return any text and all. And these are the guidelines like how you will go ahead with the user prompt. So let's see initially this prompt we have developed. So let's see analyze prompt. It's starting the analysis. First step validating, now extracting the task, extracting professional infos, extracting personal infos, extracting tone, extract external, extract tags. Yeah. So if you see, it passed some like explicit reasoning I have given, instructional framing, internal self checks are not there, reasoning type awareness is not there, tool separations are not there, conversation loop is there, but fallbacks are not there. Now this is the enhanced prompt suggestion that has been provided by LLM itself, that you can use this and how it has been improved. It's if you see, if it has added my name and everything, see Rishikesh and everything, by taking the context that we have extracted earlier, and it has used all these things to enhance this prompt. So now if I use this prompt and if I analyze it, let's see what happens. Again, tool separation and all things are not there. uh, yeah, so let me try out the prompt which I have enhanced, and let's see what it returns. So right now it's only one agent which is doing everything. So agent is like is like a guy who is interacting with LLM. So here I have only one guy who is interacting with LLM with this particular prompt every time. See, it's getting past everything. Excellent structure, well defined. So if you see this structure, I have I have initially given like what is this about, who are you, how you are going to analyze this, what are the methods available, what are the self checks you have to do, what is the fallback strategy, critical instructions, and then some examples like how you are going to extract it, and this is the guidelines to do that. So if you see here, processing step, there are 10 steps that has been processed here: validate prompt, extract task, extract in-text, extract professional info, extract tone, extract external context, generate tags, extract personal info, generate improvement, and then complete. So all the 10 steps has been done. So yeah, you can use this website and set up your key, and you can analyze your prompt how well it's suited. So yeah, basically that's it. It just wanted to share this knowledge with you guys, how to write best practices when prompting, because in agents prompting is what everything all about, because the orchestrator, which is the LLM, if you don't give proper prompting, don't follow all the edge cases, um, you have to manually monitor LLM all the time. You will, and it's not like yeah, your LLM will start giving errors and you have to pitch in to fix it. So it's better to follow best practices from start, so that you avoid any known loophole. Okay, thanks everyone for joining me with this. I will share all the details. Let me know what you think about this. Thank you everyone.